Now more than ever, we need to strive to provide opportunities for our students to build connection with their peers and with you as their course tutor. Let's think about 3 experiences we all have likely had at some point in our lives. What it feels like to be alone, that moment listening to a talk where you're itching to ask a question but can't quite bring yourself to interrupt the speaker, knowing that you can complete a task anytime but not quite finding the motivation to do it at all. The lecture watch party is a simple solution driving forward accountability, opportunities to contribute and a sense of community in online learning. It can be the synchronous companion to your asynchronous discussion boards and flexibly implemented to accommodate the needs of your learners. You can launch your pre-recorded lecture stream on your own device and share the video using screen share. Or you can use a ready, steady, go approach where all the students start playing the video at the same time on their own devices. During the recording, you can lead by example by using the in-meeting chat as an informal talking space. Students not only ask their questions, but answer questions from their fellow students and share their own insights and experiences. These contributions enrich the recorded content and provide a valuable opportunity for students to co-create their course content.